Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for January and I've got the Asos £12 beauty box. So if you're new to Asos and you want to learn a little bit more about their boxes, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Asos have been doing these beauty boxes for many years now and they bring them out monthly. There's no set date as such when they bring them out, but it's usually within the first week of every month. They are not a subscription, you just need to create an account with Asos, and then when they're released you're able to see exactly what's inside the box. So it's just like buying a pair of jeans, but this is a beauty box. Now inside you receive 5 beauty treats and they say it's around 70% savings. Now the majority of the boxes are £12, but we have seen price increases, especially when they've done like a brand takeover box. Like in the past we've had Elemis, we've had Bobbi Brown, we've had The Ordinary, Makeup Revolution, etc. And those boxes tend to be around £18. Now these boxes sell out super fast, and unfortunately you are watching this now and it is sold out. In the UK, if you live outside the UK, then these boxes are released a few weeks later. So if you're watching this thinking, oh, you are in for a chance of getting it a couple of weeks later, but unfortunately the UK is sold out. There has been times when it has come back in stock, so it's definitely worth checking out. And the reason I do these videos is to show you what type of boxes that Asos do. As soon as I find out about the release times, the release date, etc., I post up everywhere. So if you're not following me on Instagram, Facebook, even Twitter, which I hardly use, but I post it up everywhere, and also on my YouTube community tab where I can post up links and things like that. And then as soon as the box goes live, I'll post up everywhere as well. So if you're following me, make sure to click notifications so then you will never miss out. Some boxes are better than others, and this month's box is nice, but it's not amazing. And the reason why is because there's a lot of repeats in there that we've had before. That's not to say it's a bad box, but for me, I've had every single Asos box going for the last couple of years, and yeah, there are a few repeats in there, but I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. I'll pop links to Asos down in my description and a link to the box, even though it'll say it's out of stock at the moment, but you never know, it could come back in stock. And yeah, any other deals and everything that Asos have running at the moment as well, you'll find that down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. I haven't opened it up yet, it just arrived a little while ago. So inside you find a card and it details everything about the product, so I'll refer to this as we go along. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek first. Woo. There you go. So the theme this month is New Year, Same Me. Hibernation season has officially arrived, so we've got the time to make sure our skin is winning in the category glowing. Luckily, bringing you fab winter skincare saviours in Asos's 2022 New Year's resolution, and we've done just that with this face and body box. These are our top picks for you to emerge from your January cocoon feeling chef's kiss. It does say that on there. So kick off with your self-care sesh with the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. It'll help clean away any nasties, but it won't leave your face feeling tight or dry, just soft and nourished. We've got 118 mils there. I'm sure we had one of these in a Asos beauty box in the last year, maybe a larger size. Yeah, great brand, really nice gentle cleanser. It doesn't leave your skin feeling dry. It cleans it beautifully, great for sensitive skins. We've got a full-size version downstairs in the bathroom and the boys tend to use that. Sometimes myself and my daughter use it. But yeah, it's a great little cleanser. If you can hear something that sounds like bees, can you hear that? It's our radiator. It's the pipes in this house just turning on. Hopefully you can't hear it, but in case you do, that is what the noise is. Then grab your Dermalogica Micro Pore Mist for a refreshing spritz before you use the rest. Cucumber in skincare is a big yes from us, and this pick has lots of it. And we've got 10 mils there. Now when I first saw the box, it didn't have any sizes, so it wasn't until yesterday when the box went on sale that I saw the sizes. I thought this might be bigger. Whoa, that is quite hefty. Yeah, not one to put on your face when you've done your makeup. I've got a big wet splat here now. Never mind. Never mind. But yeah, this is the product I was most looking forward to. Minimises and tones. And yeah, it says clear start. Minimises visible pores. Spritz on after cleansing morning and night. My eye is soaking. Never mind. We've got a micro pore mist. After a hefty holiday season, your eyes might need a little love. So gently apply a bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Deluxe Eye Rescue. It's a pocket size pick me up. Now on the website, it said that this was 15 mils, which is the full size version. But it's not. Asos made a mistake, which is naughty. It is 3 mils, so nowhere near 15 mils. So you never know when people receive their boxes and they realise there isn't a 15 mil Charlotte Tilbury eye cream in the box, they might send it back. So which will mean that this box will come back in stock again. But this is still a good size. As an eye cream, you know, you only need a little dab. You only need a little dab and it lasts a while. I've already got one of these and I do really like it. It's quite a thick formula, but I do really like it. It feels really nice on my eyes and it absorbs nicely as well. It doesn't feel too heavy when I apply makeup on top then. Nice little handy size there. It says here, when you're ready for a real treat, we've got 2 amazing mask options. The Glam Glow Super Mud Mask helps to tackle any breakouts or blemishes and gets deep, deep down into your pores for a serious cleanse. We've got 7 grams here. And again, this has been in Asos boxes numerous times. Yeah, it's a nice mask. It is a nice mask. I don't know how you feel about it, but I just think that there was so much hype surrounding Glam Glow. When I see it now, I'm like, oh, I've got another Glam Glow mask. There's nothing wrong with it. I really like it. It's the same with like a song, isn't it? If a song is way too promoted, as in you hear it everywhere and everyone's banging on about it, sometimes I do anyway, I get annoyed with it and I don't like it anymore. And it's like, no, I don't want to listen to it anymore. That's how I feel about this brand, which is ridiculous, isn't it? I'd love to hear if you feel the same way as me or think the same way. But yeah, it's a clearing treatment. It's a really nice mask, great for getting in your pores. It is nice, but For a more indulgent overnight mask, try the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. Now this is new, I haven't tried this one. It's made with prebiotics, vitamins, cocoa butter and so much good stuff to give you silkier skin the next morning. All you got to do is sleep. How good is that? So you've got 15 mils here, which is a better size than the Glam Glow. Apply to cleanse skin every night, and that is it. So yeah, so we've got a midnight facial. It's a sleeping cream, a moisturiser for your face, but an overnight mask then. So those are all the items inside this month's Asos box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So you've got a Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. We've got a Dermalogica Micro Pore Mist. We've got a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue Cream. We've got a Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. And lastly, an Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial Overnight Cream. The cost of the box is £12, and because I pay, I think it's £9.99 a month, which entitles me to receive free next day delivery of anything I purchase off Asos. I'm always on Asos, I'm always buying things, the kids are always buying things, so that £9.99 is handy. It is really good. So for me, it's just £12. But if you don't take out that option, then the box will cost you £12 and then around £3.95 shipping on top, unless you spend, I think it's over £20 or £30, and then you get free shipping. As I mentioned at the start, it's not a wow box this month. Great brands, great products, but these two are my favourites, I think. These two are what I'm really excited about. Not a bad box this month. I look forward to seeing what next month's box will be like, but I'd love to hear what you think. Did you purchase this box, or did you have a look and you think, nah, it's not for me this month? All your opinions I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon again. Take care. Bye.